You're hit? Okay.
We're all green.
I'm very cool. Shit, it's out of ammo.
No way.
Oh no, it's out of ammo.
No way.
We're good. It's just feeding weird.
What?
The feeding. No, we're good, we're good, we're good.
You okay?
Yeah, we're good. Dude, they thought we were one of them.
Yeah, that's why. They're so confused right now. It's great.
All right.
I can only stay on the main road, okay?
That's good. I'm gonna shoot the shit out of the back of that. No, not the cow, the back of the truck. Understood.
Awesome job, dude. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna reverse.
Got it. It's out of gas. I know.
Okay, okay. There's two tanks. Switch them up.
All right, unscrew it.
No! You know how to do HVA?
Not really.
Okay, put like this. Like that?
Okay.
That's it. Hurry, Humvee's moving. It's hand line, hand line. I'll reverse, I'll reverse. I'll reverse. The gunner's still down, you got it?
Yeah. I'm
Push back on it, push back on it. Get out of the way.
Okay, sorry, man. We're good?
Yeah. Reverse it. Face the chicken shield toward him. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We got it, we got it, we got it. Real world, real world, real world. Yep.
Good
Real
shit,
world,
dude.
real world.
Give me some.
That was fun, dude.
He's following us.
I'm gonna go straight, I'm gonna go straight.
Yeah. All right. Looks like Humvee's down.
Don't shoot the windows.
Humvee's down. Gotta focus on the infantry now. He's back up.
Yeah. Shoot Alex, shoot Alex.
I can't, that
Oh
Humvee's...
no, is that a freaking launcher? Are you down?
No, I'm getting down because this guy's on me.
Just face the shield towards him.
Alright. I can't get down now because then you have to stop driving.
No.
Okay, let's go.
He ducked. He ducked.
Yeah.
Yep.
I am.
Wait for him to pop up. Easy out
The
of
tree's in the way.
Just leave him there. It's okay. Alright, you want to have some fun?
Sure, what do you
Get up
mean?
there and see if you can get a tag in the hood. Don't show him that. Don't show him that. Hold on. Hold on.
I don't know if that's too good. Here, can you see if he's down? No, he's not down.
No, he's not down.
Yeah, we can't do that now.
I know.
He's on me, and he can shoot through that tree, but I can't.
Yep. Just stay right here.
He's down.
Don't even shoot. Just stay there.
Yeah, stay there.
Wait for him to move.
Okay.
We just got chill.
It's like a game of chess.
Yep.
It looks like they're talking to the AP. Where's all the mark guys?
I have no idea. Keep in mind, they did have numbers.
Yeah.
They probably have no idea where we are. Alright, just let him shoot. It's fine. Let him shoot. Let him shoot. The only thing I'm worried about right now
They're coming
is
from
somebody
behind.
sneaking up on us and then we're done.
I don't think these guys are that functional.
I don't know.
Sounded different for a second. I'm gonna ease off it. There we go. It's a game of machine guns.
Straight and turn around.
Okay. Yeah, we don't got a lot of PSI, do we? Shit.
What's wrong? You're fine.
It's not shooting.
He's ducking. He's ducking.
It's not shooting though.
Okay, we gotta go there.
Yeah.
We got, what's it doing? Is it making sound?
It's not making an air.
Alright, we're out of air. We
Yeah.
got exfil.
Got it.
Should I tell him that or not?
Nah.
He's gonna think we're coming around the other way.
Yeah.
See if they follow us.
For you, we got these.
You know what we can do?
What?
Oh shit! He almost. What the fuck? Did you see that shit?
Yeah, it almost got in.
Close that lid. Close that lid. Close that lid. Oh my god, dude. That would have sucked.
Infantry.
Holy fuck. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I got a grenade in that Humvee once from command.
Yeah, we're gonna exfil and refill our tanks.
Okay.
And we'll jump back in.